That little warning light on your dashboard telling you the coolant is low might seem like something you can ignore for a few days, but when your car throws a P2557 code, it is essentially screaming for help before it suffers a catastrophic meltdown. This code is all about the engine coolant level sensor or switch circuit falling out of its expected performance range, and it is common on everything from a BMW to a Lincoln. Think of this sensor like the float in your toilet tank or the sending unit in your gas tank. Its only job is to let the powertrain control module know that there is enough liquid to keep the engine from warping its cylinder head. When this circuit goes wonky, the computer does not know if you are actually out of coolant or if the sensor is just having a bad day, so it triggers the light as a failsafe. The severity here is actually quite high because if you really are losing coolant and the sensor is failing to report it accurately, you could end up stranded on the side of the road with a cloud of steam coming from under the hood. To tackle this, you should first locate the sensor, which is usually tucked into the side of the coolant reservoir, or sometimes directly on the radiator. Give the wires a good tug to make sure they are secure, and check the connector for any signs of leaking coolant that might have wicked into the pins, causing a short circuit. Sometimes the float inside the tank gets heavy or stuck due to old, crusty coolant buildup, and in many modern cars, the sensor is actually molded into the tank itself, meaning you might have to replace the whole plastic reservoir. Before you swap parts, check your fuses and make sure you do not have a blown circuit. It's also worth checking if there is a technical service bulletin for your specific model, as some manufacturers have issued recalls for faulty sensor designs. Taking 20 minutes to verify the wiring and the fluid level can save you from a repair bill that involves replacing an entire engine. So treat this code with the urgency it deserves and keep that cooling system sealed and happy.